Good morning, everyone. How are you today? All right. I hope that you are always healthy. So I have something special in here. This is a quote from the President of the United States of America, Theodore Roosevelt, or Teddy Roosevelt. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. Do you know what this means? All right. I will explain to you. So it means that if we have self-confidence, we can overcome all the challenges in the world. If you are believing in yourself, you are 50% from the finish line. And if you are doing an action, you are going to the finish line 100% of it. So it means that believe in yourself and you are 50%, doing an action and you are 100%. Next slide, please. So what we are going to do here is to deliver a presentation about growth mindset and fixed mindset. Why we have to learn about such topic? Why we have to learn about and why we have to discuss about this? Because the way we think about our abilities and intelligence and profoundly impact our potential for growth and success. So in this presentation, we're going to explore more deeply about the growth mindset and fixed mindset. And we want to compare it. And this is for the mentioned because this is the theory from Carl S. Dweck, the well-known psychologist. So before we are going to the topic, I'll provide you an overview of our presentation. The first one is growth mindset. So in the first one, we are going to define what is growth mindset and explain about the characteristic. And the second one, the same as the growth mindset. We're going to explain, we're going to define and the characteristic of fixed mindset. And the next one, we're going to compare the growth mindset and fixed mindset. And the fourth one, we have a tips for you to cultivate your growth mindset so you will become successful someday. And in the end, conclusion, to conclude all the presentation. Okay, so the next slides will be delivered by my friend, Putrian.
Okay, my name is Putrian and I will explain about the growth mindset. So the growth mindset is a belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed or improved by learning, hard working, and dedication. And these are the characteristics of people who has a growth mindset. The first one is embrace challenges. People who has a growth mindset usually see a challenge as an opportunity to improve their skills and intelligence. So they always welcoming a challenge. And the second one is persist in the face of setback. The people who has a growth mindset usually don't give up easily and they understand that failure is a part of learning process. And the third is learn from criticism and use it to improve. People who has a growth mindset is always take a feedback as a thing that make them improve their skills, so they don't feel that feedback is a personal attack. And the last one is find inspiration in the success of others. People who has a growth mindset usually don't get jealous or envy by other people's success because they see other people's success as a proof that success is possible to reach by learning and dedication. So I will give you an example of people who has a growth mindset. Imagine that someone who want to learn a new instrument and that instrument is difficult to play. He will always learn a lot because he know that learn something new isn't that easy, but he try to overcome the obstacles so he can do it anyway. Next is fixed mindset. Fixed mindset is a belief that intelligence and abilities are the things that unchangeable, and this mindset might make you feel always fear of failure and don't want to take a risk of something new. And these are the characteristics of people who has a fixed mindset. This is of course the opposite, the growth mindset. The first one is avoid challenges. people who have a fixed mindset usually don't take the challenges because they be scared of failure, and these people usually just do something that they good at it. And the next one is give up easily when faced with obstacles. People who has fixed mindset usually when he or they have to dealing with something hard or difficult thing, they tend to quit easily because if it's hard for them, it means just not suitable for them. And then ignore feedback. People who has fixed mindset always ignore feedback because they think feedback is a personal attack, and they don't realize that it might help them to improve their skills. And the last one is feel threatened by the success of others. People who has fixed mindset usually feel worried about other people's success because it means there's a less chance for them to be more shy. And to illustrate this point, I will give you an example of people who has fixed mindset. Imagine there is someone who wants to learn a new language, but when he tried to learn that once or twice, they find out that the language is difficult to try to learn, and they just stop doing it because they think that it is just not suitable for them. So they just leave it behind and stop to learn. Next is going to explain by my friend Niken.
Okay, so hello everyone. So I'm Niken and I will more explain about fixed mindset and growth mindset. So my friend Putrian have explained the characteristic of fixed and growth mindset, and I will dive in more deeply. So the first is about learning ability. So fixed mindset people are more likely to avoid learning because it seems pointless. So they are people with a fixed mindset often avoid learning because when they feel hard to learn, they will think that it's pointless and don't work on them. And for growth mindset people, they are more likely to believe in lifelong learning because they feel that the more knowledge and skill that they gain, it will be more worth it for their future. And then the second one is about persistence. People with fixed mindset are more likely to give up easily because they feel that if they are fail on doing something or making mistakes, they will feel that they are not capable of doing something, so they will give up easily. And for growth mindset people, they are more likely to put in effort to learn new things. When growth mindset people learn something new and they face challenges, they will give effort and effort so that they will get to learn something new easily. And then the third one is about how they see flaws. People with fixed mindset are more likely to hide their flaws to avoid judgment from others. They are more likely to avoid challenges because they feel that people will judge them if they make mistakes or doing something new, so they will more likely to avoid them. Different with people with growth mindset, they are more likely to believe in working toward mastery of their skills. So they give everything they can do for something new that they learn. And then the next is about how they view failures. People with fixed mindset are more likely to view failures as personal failings, not just setbacks. So people with fixed mindset take failures as personal. So they feel that if they are not capable of doing something, they will think that they are not talented or incompetent. Different with people with growth mindset, they are more likely to look at failures as just temporary setbacks. So they see failures as process, so that they can learn from that process to do something better. And the next one is about how they see feedbacks. People with fixed mindset are more likely to ignore feedback or take it as personal criticism. Feedback from other people, for fixed mindset people, they will take it as criticism to maybe judge them or something that they feel it will attack them. So it will uh, it will stop them from learning something new. And then for growth mindset people, they are more likely to view feedback as an important source of information that can help them improve. So criticism for other people, for growth mindset people, they take it as a suggestion and then they can have self-reflection and self-improvement from them. The next one is about how they face challenges. People with fixed mindset are more likely to avoid challenges to avoid failure. Just as I said before, that fixed mindset people are more likely to avoid challenges because they are afraid to fail. And for growth mindset people, they are more likely to willing embrace new challenges. They are excited and eager to learn something new because they can learn a lot from their process. And for the last one is about how they see others people's success. Fixed mindset people are more likely to feel threatened by other success because they feel that they are not capable to do something that make them success like other people, so they feel envy and jealous. Different with people with growth mindset, they will more likely to be inspired by other success because it will eventually give them motivation to do the same. Next. And the next one is about cultivating growth mindset. So I will explain some tips maybe for you to have a growth mindset. The first one is change your perspective on abilities. So just believe that your abilities can grow over time. Instead of saying I can't do this or it is impossible, just try to say and make yourself believe that you can do something new, so that you can open to new challenges and new things to learn. And the second one is about value, effort, and process. Instead of just focusing on outcomes at the end, just focus on your effort and your process. So when you are focusing on your effort and your process or value them, you can eventually have motivation for yourself to do something new, something better. And when you face challenges, you will you will just learn from the challenges and do better. And the third one is learn from criticism. Just take other people's criticism as self-reflection, so that you can have suggestion and then opinion from other people to improve yourself. And the last one is be flexible and adaptive. Flexibility and adaptability are keys to have a growth mindset. So be adaptive and be flexible with new challenges and then new possible things that you can do, so that you can have a growth mindset and success in the future. Well, I think that's all, and I will give back to Isan.
Okay, now the conclusion will be delivered by Lucia.
Okay, to recap our explanation, this is the conclusion. So according to Carol Dweck, growth and fixed mindset has a different characteristic that might be impact on how people think and people behave. People with growth mindset usually have open-minded, more open-minded, and people who have fixed mindset have mentality that they are incapable of personal development and skill improvement.
Alright, that we have learned about the fixed mindset and growth mindset. So I think that we are open for discussion, and if you have any conclusion, or if you want to say something, or you want to question us, so I'm open for that. Thank you. So there's no question? Okay. So we are in the end of our presentation, and thank you for your attention. We are from Group 3, my name is San, Puthian, and Niken. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you.